My question is, what is the strongest argument we can use to convince our non-Ahmadi friends that Imam Mahdi has come?
You see, quite a number of non-Ahmadis or Muslims believe that Messiah and Mahdi will come. And they are thinking that the same Messiah, the Jesus Christ, will come from the heaven. But Allah Ta'ala in Quran says, nobody can live forever. And whenever a person lives his life, he has to pass his life here on this earth. We believe that the Holy Prophet is the last prophet, and he is the person who was the most loved by Allah Ta'ala in every respect, more than any other prophet. Yeah? So Allah Ta'ala loved him more than any other prophet. So if it was possible to take any person to heaven, it would have been the Holy Prophet ﷺ, not Jesus Christ. Right? The Holy Prophet himself, while explaining the verse of the Holy Quran, وَآخَرِينَ مِنْهُمْ لَمَّا يَهْلَكُوا بِهِمْ, that among the people of the latter days, the person will appear, or the people will be like you. So when the companion of the Holy Prophet ﷺ asked, who are those people? And who is that person who will appear in this world in the latter days? When the people asked 3 times, then he put his hand on the shoulder of Hazrat Salman Farsi and said that the person from among Salman Farsi will appear in the latter days. That means he will not be an Arab. The Mahdi and Messiah will appear from among these people. Apart from that, the Holy Prophet ﷺ said that when the promised Messiah will claim that he is the promised Messiah and Mahdi, there will be a heavenly sign. And that heavenly sign is the eclipse of sun and moon on particular dates and days in the month of Ramadan. And he said that this sign has never happened before. So, according to the prophecy, the lunar and solar eclipse occurred during those days in 1894, when there was a claim of the promised Messiah already there in the Eastern Hemisphere and the Western Hemisphere. And it is well documented in the newspaper that it happened. So these are the things which have happened. And there is no claim of any other promised Messiah. Jesus has not appeared, he has not come down, he has not descended from heaven. So there is only one man's claim. And the prophecies have also been fulfilled and are being fulfilled by Allah Ta'ala. So these are the things which compel us to believe that the promised Messiah, who claimed himself to be the promised Messiah, has appeared and is the right person. And now the Holy Prophet ﷺ also said that the promised Messiah and the Mahdi will appear in the 14th century. And now 14th century has passed. So, since there is only one person who claimed himself to be the person, and we are seeing that his community is flourishing day by day, so that shows that he is the right person. And the time has also passed, and no other person will come now. So you can only argue with them, but those who are very rigid and they don't want to believe in anything, they are very stubborn, then you cannot force them to believe. But there are quite a number of arguments, right? So you can read the maths literature and you will find more arguments. There are heavenly signs and worldly signs. And quite a number of them have been fulfilled. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Jazakumullah.
Assalamu alaikum.